Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe this channel and for the notifications click bell icon. In this video I am going to give a clear information about numerical ability concepts which are present in BBA, BBS, BBM entrance examinations. Okay, these are the topics which are present in the entrance examination. Number system, LCM and HCF, simplification, average, problems based on ages, percentage, profit and loss, ratio proportion and partnership, work and time, time, speed and distance, mixture or alligation, simple interest and compound interest, and mensuration. Next, permutation and combination, probability, data interpretation. 16 topics are present in the entrance examination. Let us discuss one by one. First topic, number system. Numerical ability and analytical aptitude. Number system has a specific importance. In entrance exam, we can expect 5 to 8 questions. And next is LCM and HCF. LCM and HCF, it is the most important chapter in the mathematical aptitude. From this chapter we can get 2 to 3 questions. And next, simplifications. It is one of the basic techniques in mathematics for simplifying an expression, order of operations. A simple technique for arranging the expression in the proper sequence is involving Bodmer's rule. From this chapter, we can expect 2 to 3 questions. And next concept, averages. Averages is one of the easiest and important chapter in numerical and analytical aptitude. From this chapter, you can expect 2 to 3 questions. The next concept is problems based on ages. Means in this, age is defined as a period of time that a person has lived or a thing has existed. It is measured in months and years. In entrance exam, we can expect 1 to 2 questions. The next concept, percentages. Percentage is one of the most important chapter of mathematical aptitude. From this chapter we can expect 2 to 3 questions, obviously. And next concept, profit and loss. Profit and loss is the easy and scoring chapter in the numerical ability and analytical aptitude. From this chapter we can expect 5 to 8 questions. The next concept, ratio, proportion and partnership. Ratio, proportion and partnership is comparatively the tough chapter in mathematical aptitude. Although 1 to 2 questions are asked from this chapter, but you need to practice more to solve such problem. Questions. And next concept, work and time. Mathematical aptitude comprises of very important concepts, work and time. From this chapter we can expect 2 to 3 questions. And next concept, time, speed and distance. Whenever we talk about a moving object, the concept of time, speed and distance arises. This chapter is most important from the aspect of examination. From this chapter, 2 to 3 questions are generally asked in the entrance examination. Yes, 2 to 3 questions. And next concept is mixture and alligation. This chapter deals with a specific type of questions based on ratios and proportions, which can be solved quickly by using the method of alligation. From this chapter, you can expect 1 to 2 questions. The next concept, simple interest and compound interest, is the basic chapter based off derivative calculations. In every competitive exam, you may find problems based on this chapter. And next concept, mensurations. In this mensuration chapter, you can consist of plane figures and solid figures. In the entrance examination, 2 to 3 questions are generally asked from this chapter. 2 to 3 questions. And next concept, permutation and combination. In our day-to-day life, we are interested to know the number of ways in which a particular work can be done. For this, we should know all the possible ways to do that work, and it can be done with the help of permutation and combination. We can expect from this chapter 1 to 2 questions. And going to next concept, it's probability. Probability means the chances of happening or occurring an event. This chapter deals with the possibility of an event. And next, we can expect 1 to 2 questions from this chapter. And finally, data interpretation. Data interpretation is the access analytical ability of a person in the entrance examination. We can expect 2 to 3 questions related to this chapter. Each of these consists of 3 to 5 questions. This is the clear information about the concepts and how many questions we can get from each of the concepts. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.